I don't know what it is about haulers recently, but Mattel have just been on par with them. We've gotten re-releases of the Dynaco hauler, Chick Hicks hauler, Mac, Gill, Chet Boxcar, just to name a few, Jerry Recycling Batteries, and now just out of the blue, we've gotten the Octane Gain hauler as a re-release. Yeah, I know, crazy. And that is what I'm going to be taking a close look at today. The 2026 Vietnam version of the Octane Gain Hauler. So yep, I got this one from Vinted over in the UK. Obviously they're a US seller, and I've said previously that some US sellers do sell to the UK. And I paid about £30 for this, so that is reasonable for a hauler these days, especially here in the UK if it is brand new. But yeah, taking a close look at the packaging now, we can see the 2006 to 2026 logo there with the radiator cap mounting there in the background. We've got obviously the Vietnam eyeliner there on the diecast. You can see barcode if you are interested, the updated Mattel logo, Octane Game. We've got the Cars 1 render of Lightning McQueen, the Cars logo with this nice little stripe here, really cool. We got the Cars logo once again there. This is an easy open, so that would be really nice to open on camera. On the side we could just about see the Cars logo and the Octane Gain again in a few other languages. And here on the back you can also see Octane Gain hauler and a little demo of how it works, etc. With again the 2026 or the 2006 to 2026 logo. Obviously the sky background, which I still feel is a little bit weird. It does say made in Vietnam down there. There is a look at the back of the packaging, and I suppose that is it for the packaging for the Octane Gain hauler. It is available at Walmart if you are in the US. The UK, pretty much nowhere at the time of this video going up. Let's get straight into the unboxing of the Octane Gain hauler. Here we have the Octane Gain hauler out of the packaging, and I gotta say, he is very different compared to his original China release from 2009, 2010, also 2016 I believe it was released, correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, there is also this little extra rubber band bit here, which we do have to take off so we don't forget. So there we go, there is that out of the way, and yeah, I will throw you an image on the screen of where this guy appears, or at least the trailer, because the cab never really shows its face. Obviously in pit row in Cars. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into the review. That was so easy. Wow, okay. The actual review of the cab itself. So yeah, you can see here the cab. I do have the original China one here, so I'm gonna take the China one off and do a little switcheroo here. So you can see here the orange is a little bit different. This is more like a bright yellow. This is more like an orange here, as you can see. Really interesting. The expression is the same, just that the Vietnam one has a little bit more eyeliner there above the blue eyes, which is still the same, I suppose. You can see there it still has the mouth plate, although this one seems to be a lot heavier than the China one, so that is a bonus. How about the mirrors? Oh, okay, the mirrors are very flimsy, as you can see here, compared to, yeah, look how much force I'm using on this compared to that. This is more like a rubber, this is more like a plastic, so there is some differences there. You can see going over to the side now, got the 58, still got the little extra outlinings here, got the hat and all. Okay, just double checking, like I said, you got the mouth plate there as well. Going over to the back, you can see, okay, so let's see if we can zoom in on the license plate, which reads 44 SDH, and then we can see there above, got the Octane Gain mud flaps there as well, with the, hose pipes, exhaust pipes, whatever you like to call them, and then 44 SDH, so it is the same license plate which they have kept. Really interesting to see. So yeah, there is a closer look at the cab. I'm going to show you guys the base very quickly. Yep, you can see the SD code. So made in the 55th day of 2026. So that was about February, I believe, or like right at the end of February, made in Vietnam. And then this one, I'll have no idea when it is, so I'm just going to show you. Okay, 313th day of 2010. Wow, crazy how old this is now. Yep, there is a look at the cab. I'm going to leave that in the background here. And now here is a look at the trailer, which is all plastic but full of paper stickers. But yeah, just got to show you guys how cool this is. It is weird how we got on the Octane Gain hauler back again. Yeah, this is the Vietnam one. I'll show you guys the base there. Made in Vietnam, 58 Octane Gain. The stickers seem to be a little bit more smoother than the original. I will show you guys that in a few minutes. Got the antenna on the top here, which again is a little bit more harder. Okay, we've got this little orange disc up here. You can see the silver down here. On the back, you can see here as well, the sticker is a lot more vibrant. Octane Gain Turbo Vitamins. You see the license plate down there as well, which still does read 44-SHD or SDH, whatever it was, a few minutes ago. You believe you open it up from this. Oh, that was so smooth. Like, oh, that is so smooth. And then you open it up like so. Okay, you can see the little orange wheels there, the little tool gun, tool chests, tool, etc. There's also little lips here, which you can lift up. You might be able to hear the rain in the background, guys. It is absolutely tipping it down at the moment. Yep, you can see the little lips there. They lift down, and obviously you have the hauler connected like that, so it doesn't lean. Oh, look, that is perfect photo. But that why am I using that one? I'm using the wrong one. That's better. There we go. Bloopers. Yeah, you can also use a Billy oil changer and roll him up and just leave him like so, I suppose. Or you could just lift this up and then click those in and then put Billy inside like so, and then put Billy inside like so, and then close it up and then connect it to this little connector here, and then drive the Octane Gain hauler away. That is really cool. I'm gonna take Billy out now before I forget. But also, before I do forget, gotta compare the two here, which are, you know, from China and Vietnam. China is this one, Vietnam is this one. So you can just about see the differences here, like how different it is. Like for this little silver bit here at the front, the antenna, the aerial antenna here is pretty much the same, I suppose. And then when we go to the side, you can see the orangeness is different. Like this is China, and then this is Vietnam, a lot darker orange. And then we go to the back, you can see Octane Gain, again much more darker orange compared to this one. Also has a different feel to it, in my opinion. See here, China, and then Vietnam. And then I can't forget to show you guys the top of this one as well, which is Octane Gain. You can see the Octane Gain there, and then this one is more of a yellow, as you can see. So yeah, that is that. And obviously I wanted to open up the China one. Oh, did you guys hear that click? Oh, that's terrible. You can see how old these are now. Yep, exactly the same. Got the two little lips there. The orange of the tyres is almost the same, I would say. Oh, and then, oh, that really bothers me, that does. Yep, this is the China one. Really difficult to stick on now. And then we have the Vietnam one here, like that. So yeah, there are those two here. There is also another version of the Octane Gain cab that I do have, which is this one here, which I believe is a factory. I don't know, is it a factory custom? I believe it could be, because the expression is completely different, but it's not the same as the one that comes in deluxe, if you know what I mean. The cab, yeah, there's a look at the Octane Gain cab with a different expression. You could just see the expression difference here. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video. I know it's a weird, quick, wacky one, about 10 minutes long. But, you know, I just wanted to review the Octane Gain hauler from Vietnam. I don't know where to put Billy. Let's put Billy on top there. I did actually also get a Billy from the Octane Gain hauler, but I already had it, so, you know, I just decided to keep it packaged. Actually, it's US card. I didn't even realise that. Anyways, I'm just blabbering on. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Until the next video, which should be in a few days' time. Peace, everybody.